everybody. It's your girl Kia Flo, and I'm coming to you with another video. I recently got the opportunity to host an event called Sofar Sounds here in Charlotte. After performing with them on several occasions, I've done it in New York, Philly, Greensboro, and even here in Charlotte. But this time I got a chance to host, and it was a great experience. Beautiful room, amazingly talented individuals, and I got a chance with Flowtainment to capture the essence of that, and I just wanted to put something together to present to you all. So be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos, as well as Flowtainment on Instagram, and always give us a thumbs up and share it if you care. Without further ado, check out this video. That you can go use the restroom. That restroom is up the street and around the corner. Sorry. I was not clear when they designed this building. But yeah, so if you can hear my voice, clap once, clap twice, clap 3 times. And on the count of 3, I want everybody to say their name. 1, 2, 3. Yeah! Nice to meet you.
Such a struggle just to pull away. No support for my drink, makes it hard for me to stay. Chase your ghost and then you make me wait. Falling through love like August playing Jada's game. Why'd you have to do me like that? I put myself first eventually, for now you pulling me back. I knew you pulling me back. Every time I try to leave, feel it like I'm shaky. Kiss me on my neck, convince me that I need it. I don't want to bring it, you can have it, brother, tank. I see I'm participating, but I graduated too with the grip of my human nature. You never need to hide my love. I'm taking heed from down above. You don't have to agree. It's all love. I'm probably in the shrub. You ain't gotta rock with us, but this is always open. I hope it ain't with y'all. Just to let you know, man, I never fake it off. I work my heart. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. You gotta find love. That's the way. Orders in Miami, rocking boats up building ships, so the team can set sail. Yeah, we almost set sail. Empires made to prevail. They asking my time to talk. I call it love, and it comes around like 357s revolving. Success in abundance help me aim at the targets. I hit them every time I shoot like I'm Matt Thomas. With that honor, every boss in here. Everybody that's going to get your shit. I want to hear y'all sing this. Hey, 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 ooh, yeah. I'm a boss, yeah. I pay the cost, yeah. I'm a boss, yeah. I pay the cost, go.
Lips that love the taste of a hit. You see, embedded in my skin, a filled with love, lust, loneliness, and lies buried deeper than roots. I'm not a gutter street chick packing 9s and K's along with loaded clips. Not a chick ready to clap back and bone crack at the drop of a flip. I'm just flat out goofy and witty with scattered thoughts on the brain. Bodacious and flirtatious, but never one to detain. But there's a grit in my soul, and my soul stands toe to toe with fear. With no sympathy for bullshit, so you can't help but reveal. See, I'm gonna leave it.
At BAP_YP. I have a table over there with merch on it. Come holler at me. I give hugs and shit. I give that. Actually, I give hugs to dudes too. It's all love. Feel me? And I got scannable stickers. So if you have Spotify, you can pull up like the little camera in the search bar and my. Listen, I've been judged a lot in my life, you understand? And it's not easy being judged when you come from a small town and your parents got these views of you, what they want you to do, right? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But